This is a lot of hell.
Damn. Evan, watch out.
Okay.
Now that's kind of small. When they first started, they were huge.
And my dad got hit by one. Okay, I'm going back. Close it.
That definitely is a flood advisory. Damn.
It is.
And look, it's moving. It's not just staying still. So that's a whole lot of water. Oh crap! Hey Frank, you still got your jacket on? No. Come on, you still got your jacket on, right? No.
There goes my mom. Outside. Look at that water. Look at that. It's going above the roadway. Yeah, this earlier there was water shooting hell right there. And there's my mom. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
So how was it out there?
Oh, wet.
Hi, Peaches.
A little wet.
Yeah.
Oh. It's got that wilt.
Oh, can...
Buggy.
An ice in my shoe.
So, the motor.
This is... This...
My shoes are stuck. Just from the downpour.
This is a... If you guys ever had a flooding, this is the rain from on a mountain. This is rain on a mountain. And they've called...
Bob.
No.
Bob's mountain.
I think that came from this direction, from Albuquerque. I think there's another one coming.
What?
You ready to go?
No.
Wait, we're gonna leave you here?
We can't drive on this. You can go, since it's calm now, you can go close the windows and vents in the Roadrunner.
Has it fixed up again?
Roadrunner, the windows need to be shut.
Which one's that one?
This one over here, 65 Roadrunner.
Ah, okay. Give me a minute.
No, there's an opening now.
Oh.
If you guys know the city, town, I don't know, Albuquerque, then you will know what state I am in. That is a lot of wind. Sorry, let me show you it. Oh my god. As you guys may know, that is the chicken coop that my mom and dad made. Not me, I just stay inside. I take quarantine a little serious. I go out now and then. But when I do go out, I'll get sick. Not with corona. Oh, no, no, no. I just get sick of stress. And here's Zane, the Sponge King. Hey, Sponge King. Being a lovey-dovey. Hey, no bites. Boop. You do love your butt. Boops, I know that. So over there is what I'm guessing my mom said was the storm coming. And yeah, that's a lot of rain.
How you doing, Peaches? Huh? We're definitely gonna have to run this here.
I wonder how's the water in the basement. Okay. So, guys,
Frank, the pool is practically full.
my swimming pool is getting filled.
As we speak.
I think the hill has stopped.
Frank, the hell stopped. Can you go close the windows?
And there's lightning. Hi, Peaches. Hi, Carly. Carly. Hi. Hi, Peaches. Well, guys, I'm gonna let you go now. Bye.